This tutorial focuses on creating reports that summarize specific results from your analysis that you might want to highlight, publish, or share. This report basically consists of a set of data tables representing any type of data coming from the analysis and of visualizations that helps to summarize and understand this data. These reports can be exported to well-known formats, making it easy to share between co-workers. There are two ways in TIBCO to report the analysis using the export menu function. By exporting one by one each data table or visualization to a well-known format such as picture or text file respectively, or by generating a full report including a set of charts using the same exporting format in PDF or PowerPoint, etc. Starting with the first case, if we are only interested in reporting the RQ distribution of a single comparison, we will have to first select the chart we want to report, export as a picture, and now export the data table with the information corresponding to this visualization. In this case, RQ comparison lemma table. As we can see, we can save the entire data table or only filtered information, in this case the regulated detectors, or only marked data, in this case the downregulated detectors. We selected filtered rows. Finally, after giving the name to exported data table, we have the pictures and the text data files representing just the regulated detectors for this comparison. This is the picture, and now the text data file format and the RQ values associated with this comparison. In the second case, we are interested in exporting the visualizations to any of these well-known formats where we are asked to choose the information we want to export, the correct page or the entire analysis, one slide by page or visualization. In this case, we will just export the differential expression report in PowerPoint for this comparison and split the charts on different slides. A similar procedure is used if the data is to be exported to PDF or HTML. Now we will export the entire analysis in a PDF format. As we can see, each TIBCO tab has been saved on a different document page. And finally, exporting data to a web-based format. In this case, all the selected pages will be available on the same web HTML report. In case we have used the list tool to select our top regulated detectors, we can save them so that we are able to retrieve them for future analysis. Additionally, not only can we send our data to a third-party application or format, but also to a TIBCO project so that we can later access the analysis on this platform. It is very important to check this option in case we want to share or open this project on a different computer. All the information about the analysis is now stored in a file with a DXP extension. So, we have now learned how to export our desired analysis to a third-party application or save the analysis on a TIBCO platform to ensure future access of data. We can also enhance these reports with our comments and description. We recommend adding text area components where we will be able to add a customized description of our analysis. A further advantage of the custom report is that instead of specifying our detected regulators from the filtering controls on the side panel, we can get faster access to our favorite filtering controls by adding them to our custom panel by inserting just this filter, where we can request for sample amplification and significance status. To do that, we only need to insert a new filter by selecting it from the side column. In this example, from RQ comparison lemma table. So this is for the amplification status filter. and a similar process for the significance status filter. Now we can easily access our favorite filters without looking for them in the general filter panel. Bookmarks are another interesting alternative to this functionality. With the bookmarks, we can save the current status of the filters and the markings that we've used for our data. According to this, the first time we observe our list of regulated detectors, we can save the status and reset our filters to continue with other inspections, but we will always be able to easily get back to these regulators. The way to do that is to create a new bookmark for the status that we want to freeze. And now to our custom text area and action control associated with our new bookmark. From now on, we are able to perform additional inspections, and just by clicking on this button, we will be able to get back to our regulated detectors. Okay, this tutorial is almost finished, and we know now how to export our analysis to different formats and even save the analysis into our own TIBCO format. But is there any way to share my analysis and keep the powerful filtering tools? Third-party formats are unable to provide such functionality, and TIBCO project is limited by the user having their own TIBCO license. In case our TIBCO license has such functionality, straightforward solution is to save our entire analysis as a library item. Our analysis can then be shared via the web without any need for TIBCO installation, but with all the powerful filtering capabilities. Including our own custom text area panels. We recommend that you watch additional tutorials on how StatMiner can be integrated with other applications such as IPA in order to get the most out of biological functional analysis.